In downtown Austin today, lawyers for Lance Armstrong tried to block charges that he used performance-enhancing drugs during his 7-year title run at the Tour de France. The U.S. Anti-Doping Agency accuses Armstrong of using steroids and blood boosters and of leading a complex doping scheme with his team. But Armstrong's lawyers argue the USADA does not have jurisdiction in this case. We get more from KXAN's David Scott live at the federal courthouse downtown. David?
Robert, Lance Armstrong, as we all know, has denied any doping for years, but the USADA, USADA, that's the U.S. Anti-Doping Agency, well, they say they've got the goods on Armstrong. Witnesses, plenty of them, former teammates. But today's hearing in the federal courthouse was not about evidence. They didn't try the trial today. It was over who has jurisdiction to move forward. Now, the government would like USADA to handle it. They've been after Armstrong for a long time. Lance's lawyers would prefer the UCI to call the shots on this. That is the Union of Cyclists International. And it's believed that they would go easier on Armstrong. The judge severely questioned the USADA attorney today. Where were the specifics of your charges? No names, dates, places. At the end of the hearing, the attorney for USADA said he couldn't comment about the proceedings, but Lance Armstrong's attorney did.
Judge Sparks gave us a good, fair opportunity to say everything that we felt needed to be said, and an opportunity to supplement that with information that we were not able to give him during the time allotted. So I feel, from that standpoint, we sure got a fair hearing.
Well, as expected, Lance Armstrong himself was not in court today, and Judge Sam Sparks gave attorneys for both sides an additional 7 days to file any briefing papers for him. He said, just in case some of the other lawyers at your table thinks of something the lead lawyer forgot to bring up. Downtown at the federal courthouse, David Scott, KXAN News.